Hello, I'm Adriana, and I'm a Hal of this channel. The another Hal is my daughter Daniela. Today we had a very special project. Something you can use it every day. We will use it just if you have couple scraps. We can make something really exciting. Let's start. We have here different scraps. So from here, we'll start working in a new project. For doing that, we will take 10 inch in each of them. After, we will cut all the pieces. All widths are different, but it's okay because we want to use the more fabric as possible. Then, we will go into sewing all the edge one against to the another fabric in this way. Sewing here, and we have the type of the stitch, and we will use the straight stitch in our machine. Sewing very close to the edge, you can leave in at least half inch right there. Always hold the fabric and we will sew it until the end. Now we can see we have two prints together, and now we will add one more. For doing that, you can take the fabric facing to you and you put the another fabric facing the fabric. When you finish, you can open the seams in half using the iron to flatten them. And this way, when we start to sewing and get forward to our project, this part will look more professional. You can iron it as well for the right side. And this one will look so cute. I love the prints. After, we can fold it in half and we will add one piece of the body. We will pin it to keep all the pieces together. And this is a cardboard coffee slip. This is approximately 2.5 inch by 10 inch. We will leave half inch around to we be able to sew in. We will mark here around of the standard coffee slip. Now I'm going to sew in following the mark. Now we will cut the excess, leaving from the seams at least half inch. We have to trim in the corners, make couple cuts around of our slip, and when we're done, we are ready to turn inside out. Just you bring the fabric slowly with a lot of patience out. If you will need, you can use any tool. You have to push the fabric and try to take out the corners of your project very kindly to we not make any hole in the fabric. After the part is opening, we will put both sides of the fabric inside, just maybe half inch in this way. We can put a pin there because from here we will add the elastic is approximately 4.5 inch. We will take the elastic or like a loop, take the pin off, so later we will add a button and the button will go through this elastic. We will put it inside of our opening, put your pin back, and after that we will go into sewing all the sides. And we have the silver ribbon here, and we can play a little bit in how to decorate our slip. Let's see.
What my mom ended up doing was that she used that ribbon to essentially wrap it around both sides so it would align with each other, so when she was stitching it would only be a single stitch to hold both pieces in place, but it also made it reversible, which is perfect when you're a beginner trying to figure out which side comes out better.
Now I will add this beautiful button here to help the elastico to hold the slip. The first step is I had the needle and I will go through the fabric and the ribbon, and when I had the position I want it behind of the button is a little hole. I will pass the needle through the button, and after I will pass again the needle through the fabric. I will repeat this process many times until I feel the button is firm and is strong enough to resist many times the elastic we will use it to hold the slip. One more time, we have here the hole, pass the needle,
Looping it around, make a knot in the back.
this is how it look. If you enjoy as much I did, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video right there. Thank you. Hi Chinobi. Okay. She's